Now let's simulate a pressostat failure. Here we have removed the fan tube. I get a signal on the pressostat. We turn on the unit. The combustion cycle starts. First start. The first attempt fails. The 30-second fan motor comes on. After the first attempt, the controller will make 3 more attempts to start the burner cycle. After each attempt, the 30-second blower motor starts, and after this time, after 3 attempts, the controller should fail and the red button will light up. We see that the controller has gone into emergency mode. To remove the emergency mode, after the fault has been eliminated, press the red button.